Hello, my name's Rupert Bain from Red Bricks Real Estate here in the Waikato. Wham said it first, wake me up before it goes. And this 4-bedroom brick beauty in Wakefield Place won't be around long, so come on, let's take a closer look. Set back off the road, this property is low maintenance and enjoys privacy in the ever popular suburb of Rototuna. This family home offers open plan kitchen, dining and living room with additional separate living area. The kitchen is modern and features dishwasher and gas hob. Doors from the living area lead out onto the low maintenance garden and concrete entertaining areas. Enjoy the flow from the master bedroom out onto the garden, ideal for an early morning coffee or that late brunch. All 4 bedrooms are doubles and the master features ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe. There is an office situated at the front of the house, so you can easily see people coming and going, which is ideal for our current environment where so many of us are still working from home. The main bathroom has corner shower, bath, vanity with cabinetry underneath, and a separate toilet. The back garden is fully fenced and has a raised veggie garden. The home offers ample storage, double garage with internal access, laundry tub and setup to the side of the garage, heat pump. There is also an alarm, CCTV in an as-is condition, and the property is healthy home compliant. Thank you ladies and gentlemen for taking the time and watching this video. We'll be selling by way of negotiation, so no fixed price. We have a detailed information pack, so please do not hesitate to contact myself or one of the Red Bricks team. Thank you.